In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about support, resistance levels, and trend lines, and how you can use cTrader to find these important markers and make smarter decisions when trading Forex. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to strengthen your technical analysis skills, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to confidently use these tools in your trading journey. Let's begin by opening up cTrader, which is a widely used trading platform known for its user-friendly interface and powerful charting features. Once the platform is loaded, you'll see your main chart window, where you can analyze different currency pairs. In today's lesson, we'll be using the charting tools built into cTrader to identify key areas on the chart that can guide your trading strategy. First, let's locate the drawing tools. You'll find an option called Draw displayed on your chart menu. Click on that, and from the drop-down, select Horizontal Line. This tool is your go-to for marking out support and resistance levels, those crucial lines that traders use to spot potential turning points in price action. To draw a support line, look for an area where the price tends to stop falling and bounces back up. Place your horizontal line here. This creates your support, which serves as a kind of floor for the market. Likewise, scan for a price level where the market tends to stall on the way up and then comes back down. Place another horizontal line here to mark your resistance, which acts as a ceiling. With your support and resistance lines set, let's add a trend line. Go back to the Draw menu and select Trend Line. This tool helps you see the prevailing direction of the market, whether it's heading up, down, or moving sideways. When drawing a trend line, you want to connect at least 2 or more swing highs in a downtrend or 2 or more swing lows in an uptrend. This visual guide can really help you spot not just the direction, but also potential retracement areas where price might pull back before continuing in the same direction. Now that you have your support, resistance, and trend lines drawn, it's time to see how you can use them to plan your trades. Many traders choose to buy near the support level, since this is typically where price shows signs of rebounding after falling. Conversely, selling near the resistance level is common practice, as prices often struggle to break through and may fall again. Finally, always consider the direction of the prevailing trend identified by your trend line. Trading in the direction of this trend increases the probability of success. For example, in an uptrend, focus more on buying at or near support, while in a downtrend, look for selling opportunities near resistance or along the trend line itself. By practicing these simple but effective steps with cTrader's charting tools, you'll develop a sharper eye for price action and be better equipped to plan and execute your trades with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.